Good afternoon. So you can see I'm going to unbox my Seiko Ice Monster, and as I have said, it's better to have it mailed here in your place of work. This is where I work. There you go. It's a nice shot of my window, and of course I'm from New Zealand. And here we go. Let's open it. Oh, they get some nice pamphlets to show on the, well, what else have they given me? Oh, look at that. Have some $20 voucher, and it's the bill. And let's look at this. There you have. It's properly, well, it's nicely protected. So let's open it. Sorry about this. This is the no editing real unboxing. No edit, no frills, just simple, pure unboxing, handheld, cheap camera. But I hope you can hear those blister pack popping. And this, here it is. Do we need a drum roll? Well, you do the drum roll yourselves, but let's look at it. There you go. Now maybe we should. Ready? Go. Presenting to you the, like we have here the, look at this, some instructions, which of course no one reads, especially if you don't know Japanese, but of course it has the English language. So let's open it now. Oh, there you are. Look at that. It's actually magnificent. Look at that. See? First time real unboxing, virginal, untouched, and look, just slightly move and it's already what? Moving. This is awesome. Nice. Well, you have to wait a little as I will admire it privately and put it on my hand and resize it. But for now, here it is. My lovely, lovely Seiko Ice Monster, or some refers it to as Frost Monsters. Yeah. Nice look. And let's see how it appears when it's dark. Let's just see here if it's really, oh, look at that, even just slightly exposed, and it's giving that nice glow. Look at that. This is really nice. I'm admiring it. Anyway, I'll come back to you some more and tell you how it is. Let's look at the bracelet. Oh, still covered with plastics. And look at that's the price here. I think you should all get one, as in most cases in Nomon watches is all sold out, and it has a price increase. Here in New Zealand, I got over about, including taxes, I paid a little over $1,000 because it's just 500, and converting it to New Zealand dollars, I paid like about 850 plus about 150